Absolute magic and pure joy for Potterheads. The Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studio Tour is an absolute dream for fans of the Wizarding World. This immersive experience brings the magic of the films to life, showcasing authentic sets, costumes, props, and behind-the-scenes secrets. Walking through iconic locations like the Great Hall, Diagon Alley, and the Forbidden Forest feels truly magical. Every detail in the studio was so well done and brought the magic of Harry Potter to life. If you're a fan, you won't regret visiting. It's an unforgettable experience. Really easy to use and redeem at the King Cross bus stop. Just have to arrive earlier since the station itself is very busy and crowded. Bus journey was quick and the Harry Potter Studios tour was amazing. Highly recommend to book from Klook. It was such a breeze. We got the one which included the upperground tickets. We just simply had to scan the voucher provided to take the train from London to Watford. Upon reaching the station, we followed the signs to the shuttle bus pickup point for our ride to the studio. We had to queue to get the physical tickets by presenting our voucher. But fret not, the physical ticket was worth as a keepsake. We love the studio. I had been there before and it was still as amazing and enjoyable. We spent at least 8 hours including getting our brunch and dinner and buying merchandise. Indeed a must-go place for avid fans. Return to London was easy too. We took the shuttle bus back to Watford and used the voucher provided to scan as our tickets back to London. Harry Potter Studio Tour is a must-see for any Harry Potter fan. I went in October 2024 and the dark arts activity was happening which made the visit extra special. From sets to behind the scenes, was just an amazing experience. For Klook, it was easy to redeem once on site, just exchange the Klook voucher for the entrance ticket by going to the booth. There was an envelope containing all the tickets I bought. For the train ticket, the voucher provided by Klook is the train ticket, easy to print out or on your phone. I was able to ride the earlier and faster NW train, 20 minutes travel time. When I got to Watford Junction, the free bus is right in front of the station. Returning from the studio tour, pickup point is where you were dropped off, and scan your return ticket at the train gate. It was easy and hassle-free. I spent 7 hours there and was just enough to see everything and photos and had some food. The studio shops are huge and make sure to visit every shop cause each one may have souvenirs that are unique and cannot be found at the main shop. If you are a Harry Potter fan, this is a must for you. Hassle-free, transport to and fro Watford Junction. Transportation ticket included when buying with rail. Simply scan QR code to use the ticket or ask the friendly staff around. Enjoyed the tour there, so much things to see and do. Food was amazing. Do drop by if you are visiting London. We spent almost half of the day there. Best thing there was a shuttle bus that take us to and back the station. Had the best time. Super worth it if you're a Harry Potter fan. I went by myself and commuted instead of buying the ticket that comes with train/bus. Cheaper and it's easy. Just get off at Watford Junction and they have a free bus that will take you to the studio. Staff are friendly and accommodating. I've always wanted to go there, so I'm really glad I did. We had to finish sightseeing and get back to the bus within 4 hours, so we didn't have much time, but we were able to have a snack at the facility and go home. But it was easy because we didn't have to worry about buying tickets or transportation to and from the facility. If you want to eat a hearty meal before going home, or if you want to take your time, I recommend taking the train and shuttle bus to get there on your own. Very cool. The bus arrived and left on time. You can leave earlier on the way back. The whole time is 4 hours. When boarding a bus, they give you a bracelet for the return trip by bus and the ticket to the studio itself. Everything is very organized. Oh, where do I start? The Harry Potter series is probably part of everyone's childhood, so it feels surreal stepping into the place where they actually shot some of the scenes from the movies. TBH, I thought butterbeer is actually alcoholic but turns out it's child-friendly. 10/10. The transaction was very smooth. When we arrived at the studio, I went to ticketing office and claimed our tickets. We went inside and it was so huge. There was complimentary bus shuttle when you buy the ticket, and they also gave a passport for activity inside. It's worth it.